Hello. Okay, I'm going to make this a short video. I've got two pieces. Welcome to November, 1st of November. I got a couple of really special paintings, I think. Today, the 1st of November, obviously this video is always a day or two before, so that you get a chance to sort of look. But they're up for sale on the 1st. So the 1st of November, I've got a couple of special pieces and also a couple of special pieces the following week, which is the 8th of November. So keep your eyes peeled on my eBay if you want to. Now then, two special pieces. I think they're really, really special. Obviously photos on at the end. This is called Jana, J-H-A-N-A. Which I really love. Beautiful. Jana, okay. And this is called The White Noise of Life, which I absolutely adore. Now this is so special, this piece, that I've got an extra video to tack on now, which is why I'm making this so short. Thank you for watching. 1st of November and the 8th of November special pieces. Take care then, be well. Hello and good morning. Right, this piece deserves a little video all on its own really. I'll show you it now and then after you've got a couple of little videos just of the process really, and it's called The White Noise of Life, and it took forever. This is the longest piece I've ever done, 4 days. Four days. The White Noise of Life. Okay. Take care then. Thanks for watching. Be well.